What's up, everybody? Nathaniel Morton here with NathanielMorton.com, helping you build an unstoppable body and mind by developing an empowering mindset. Today, we are talking about building an unstoppable body, and I'm going to show you how to properly do a one leg or a single leg Romanian deadlift so that you can use this exercise to become a bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive athlete. Okay, so when we're talking about the one leg RDL, there are really three main key points that I want you to focus on. Number one, in the leg that you are standing on, you want to make sure that there's a slight bend in your knee. Okay, you never want your leg to be all the way locked out. So the leg that you are standing on, never have it locked out, have a slight bend in your knee. Okay, the second thing, the dumbbell is going to be in the opposite hand of the leg that you are standing on. The second thing is when you go down, you never want your hip to open up. Okay, when your hip opens up and your toe starts to point this way, you do not want to do that because that means you're compensating, trying to get the dumbbell all the way down by opening up your hip. So make sure that you keep your hip straight, you keep your toe straight, and you get the dumbbell as far down as you can with a straight pelvis and straight toe. Okay, and then the third thing is that you never want to round your back when you do this. Okay, so keep a neutral spine, and that's the third thing to focus on. So let's put it all together. I'm standing on my left leg. There's a slight bend in my knee. Dumbbells in the opposite hand. When I go down, there is no tilt in my pelvis. Okay, there's also no rounding of my back. Okay, neutral spine, no tilt, foot is pointed down, and then we come back up. Okay, on your way down, focus on your hamstrings, and on your way back up, contract that glute to bring you all the way back up. Okay, so once again, slight bend in the knee, dumbbell in the opposite hand, no tilt of the pelvis or toe, no bend in the back, and back up. Okay, all the way down, and back up. Okay, this is going to be a great exercise for you to use to get bigger, stronger, faster, and more explosive as an athlete. And speaking of that, as I mentioned in every single video, if you want a free bodyweight vertical jump program to become stronger, more explosive as an athlete, you can comment JUMP, J-U-M-P, down below in the comment section of this video, and I will send you a free bodyweight vertical jump program. If you want a free weight training program, you can go to my Instagram at Nathaniel Morton, tag 3 people on any one of my posts, and turn on my post notifications, and I will send you a free weight training vertical jump program. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.